How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to basically go and fix the Snapchat support code SS06, first of all you have to understand what kind of issue this is. This is usually a login issue where you've been trying to log into the same phone number a couple of times, maybe repeatedly, and that is when Snapchat is going to put a restriction to your login details, and that's when you cannot log into your Snapchat account because you've been logging in frequently, or maybe you're trying to enter the same login details frequently. Now the easiest way you can solve this is by simply waiting for a couple of hours so that Snapchat is going to remove that restriction. But of course you don't have time for that, right? So we have to make Snapchat think that it is not us logging in against. And the easiest way to do is you can just try switching from Wi-Fi to your mobile data to your cellular connection. If you have a VPN, you can also use a VPN network that is going to change the IP address coming from your router. And after that, you can just open the Snapchat application here. And once you open the Snapchat app, you will be able to log in this time. Now, if it doesn't help you log in, there are also a couple of things that I want you to do. I want you to simply uninstall the Snapchat app here. Long press, tap the uninstall option, and then tap the OK option. Head over to your Play Store, reinstall it, connect to a Wi-Fi or a VPN, try to re-log in, and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. So hopefully this video helped you solve the problem as to how you can fix Snapchat support code. This is usually an issue related to login, so if you wait a couple of hours, Snapchat should let you log in again as long as the details are correct. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.